spray. I hustle all day, this ain't Hollywood. Life like a movie, I ain't said enough. I never give up, this battle made me tough. Every scar and everything that I got from a come up. Feeling the heat, walk through the fire, the dream too deep. Where the pain was where I grew up in the streets. I came from the struggle, went forward in the plan. I fear no man, I got the heart of a lion, ain't no time to frown. I brush it off, I walk alone the streets, ain't got no time for negativity. Keep on moving, y'all talking about me, the touch they salty. I grind all day, I hustle through the pain. I rise to the top, I ain't breaking the game. I never give in, I got nothing to prove. Watch my every move, I'm trying to be the best, I ain't got no time to rest. Can't be slowing down, I gotta show them love, I'm rising above. Never relax, I'm counting these racks and you know that's a fact. Never even slowing them down, I'm taking a battle. Taking a bang, you know I won't be tame, I'm letting it break me. Be on the grind, I'm keeping the grind, no time for the phone. Yeah, life been a journey, you know that I'm savage, I'm living it lavish. Don't nobody trust that, I'm making a way. Let it come what it may. I'll be flipping, I'll be sipping, ice dripping. Never slacking, you know to be stacking, I'll be lagging. They be stacking, turning them back in. We all stick together, we ain't got time to despair. No time for riches or fame, can't even take a break. Pushing through with all my might, I do what it takes. I've been with a dime, pushing with a tight. Never been down for that, I beat all past. I'm getting the cash. All these tears, I'm running a fade. Never been a wheel, you know the real deal. Planting seed on top of success, you know what I mean. Chasing a dream, I never compete, all what I see.